Now I'm going to shoot this fire strike gun with the aim of this. Let's rock and roll. I'm gonna shoot and see at that. Yeah, I have shown you from here, and I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot it, and this gun name is Fire Strike. Fire Strike, it looks like this. I know you have to pull this for loading. Let's get started. Okay, the dart I'm gonna use is this dart. It has a sponge. Every dart has a sponge, and I'm gonna shoot. You can see there, I'm gonna shoot that. It's gonna move. Yeah. Okay, I have shot it, and I'm going to shoot. I have shot this one. You can see that I shot this one. Okay, let's start the second aim. Yeah, friends, now I'm going to shoot with the same fire strike gun to that can into it on it. Okay, see at the can, if it move, I have shot it. Oh, I have shot it, and the sound has came. I'm going to shoot it again. So I'm going to shoot it again. Wait and see. And my gun is already loaded. I'm going to shoot. I have shot it again, and the next trick shot will come back soon. Now friends, I'm going to shoot that Iron Man right standing over there. If I shoot it, it does fall. See my aim. Don't look at the gun. And I'm saying every time look at the object that I'm shooting at. Okay. I have shot its hand, and let's be ready for the next shot. And I'm gonna shoot it again. If it falls, it's okay. Yeah, it has just fell, and I'll be ready for the next one. So friend, now I'm going to show you which trick shot I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you easy peasy. So friend, now I'm going to shoot that book right over there near the windowsill, and I'm gonna shoot it with the dart with the same fire strike. And I have another gun called Bang and Hyperfire and many more Nerf guns. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot it first. Hyperfire, Zombie Strike, and more. Okay, see that book that I told? Yeah, it has shot the book. And the dart got no hurt, but it's fine. So yeah. So friends, now I'm going to shoot the 3 of the stubbles right over there. Towels. I'm gonna shoot it. Yeah. Shoot it first. I'm gonna keep my long shot first. Okay. We have to keep bullet from here for my long shot. Yeah, this comes in Amazon. Okay. Now I'm not gonna keep my long shot, but I'm gonna shoot with my hand the towel. Oh yeah, I have just shot it, and I'm gonna show you the dart where it fell. Come on, let's get there. The dart has just fell, and when I shot it just went, hurted here, fell down, bounced, flipped, and fell like this. Okay. And the next shot I'm gonna do is easy peasy. And I'm going to show you which shot I'm gonna do. So friends, now I'm gonna shoot with my gun into that hole in this cupboard. Okay, in this dressing table, I'm gonna shoot through into this. Yeah, you can see that hole right over there. Yeah, I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna keep the dart. Yeah, load it and shoot. It has just missed. So let's do another shot. And friends, let's get started with the game. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot through. I'm gonna. It just missed again. Yeah, I'm gonna try again. Yeah, subscribe or else I'll not miss the shot. Yeah, if you subscribed, it's okay. If you subscribed already, thank you. If you didn't subscribe, that's okay. I'm gonna shoot. Subscribe till I count till 10. 1. Please subscribe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you for subscribing. And I'm going to shoot through. And it has. I'm going to show you where it fell in a second. Yeah, the place I'm sticking to, and the bullet has fell right over here. Yeah, that's easy peasy shot, but it's hard for beginners. And I have buyed this gun, so it goes straight. It goes till like this. Yeah, it goes so far. You can see this dart that I used is. This dart's front part secret is it is made up of plastic. Yep, I'm gonna be ready for the next shot, guys. Friends, now I'm going to shoot this to that and off the light. Okay, let's get started. Before we get started, load your gun. Yeah, you can see the switches right here, and I'm gonna shoot like off it. Yeah, let's get started. I have on the fan. Okay, now I'm gonna off the light. Easy peasy. It's cool, isn't it? I have just shot and the light has been off. If you don't believe me, I'm gonna show you again. Yeah, you can see no one is offing the switch light, and I'm gonna shoot. So, and I didn't even off the light by pausing. Hands up, subscribe to my channel or else you die. Kid, yeah, get ready for the next. And the next shot is I'm gonna shoot through them. Yeah, let's get started. And it's pretty far. Yeah, after hurt no one, and the bullet have to go straight from here, straight, and should not hurt the superheroes. Let's get started. And I'm gonna shoot. 3, be seen. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! It just went through. I will show you how did it went, and I saw. Yeah, the bullet was there, and I'm gonna show you from near. It just passed from here without hurting its butt. Yep, there's a butt. Okay. Now I'm gonna use a small bounce ball. Yeah, pretty small. Yep, that's funny. And I'm requesting you to please like and subscribe. to my channel. Bye bye, and don't forget, if you want to buy, you can buy. And this name is Fire Strike, and it is $800. Get sure.